Hey guys, back with me again at this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create a glamorous photo in EPIK Photo Editor. So you can do this easy and fast by only one click. So first you need to add your photo or open your photo in EPIK, and after that you can just go to effects and then find the bling category or the bling tab in here. Okay, so there are a few options that you can choose. You can just play along or choose the one that you think fits your photo the best. You can see that there is a blink in my photo now. You can just choose which one that you want to use. Ocean blue, there's a rose gold, glitter, and here is for the pro version there's a midnight. Okay, so I basically like this rose gold in here, and you can always adjust the effect. You can adjust the intensity, you can adjust the scale, the Kira, I don't know what that's mean, and also the filter. Okay, so you can compare the before and after photo. So now the photo looks more glamorous, and after that, if you like the photo, just click on the arrow down to download it. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like this video, and subscribe. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.